All right, we're gonna show y'all London bridges. Okay, so we'll break this move down with you. You'll notice we do the choker dip, but we change up the grip. That's one of the big differences here. So when I do a backhand slide into the choker dip, instead of catching her hand like this, I'm gonna grab like I'm gonna do the salesman. Again, you need to shoot straight for your partner's opposite shoulder to let her know that this is the dip that you're doing. And then you'll come around just like the choker dip and dip. And then you're gonna take that arm, you're gonna let your partner rest on your leg, and you're gonna pick it up. And then this provides some support. Gentlemen, then you're gonna kick your left leg over, grab your partner's hand, let go with the right, and pull through. You're not gonna pull straight up because we know what would happen. You're gonna pull out so that your partner can stand straight up.